Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing one of the character names from the famous TV series, Game of Thrones. This character was played by actor Isaac Hempstead Wright. Well, how do we say this name correctly? We may pronounce it as Brandon Stark, Brandon Stark, Bran, Dun, Stark, Brandon Stark. Brandon Stark, commonly known as Bran, is one of the most enigmatic characters in Game of Thrones. After a tragic fall that leaves him paralyzed, Bran discovers his extraordinary abilities as a greenseer and a warg. His transformation into the three-eyed raven plays a crucial role in the battle against the Night King and the ultimate resolution of the series' many conflicts. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Brandon Stark, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.